Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to set date on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you all have to do is click the digital clock on your home screen. And after that, click the three dot on the upper right side on your screen. And click settings. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, in clock portion, okay, you can see the change date and time. Okay, click change date and time. And okay guys, here in date and time, okay, you can see the set date. And okay guys, you have to do to change the date is click the set date. And the pop-up are show, and okay, now you can change the date. And okay guys, now here you can change the month by sliding to the left or to the right. And okay guys, for my example, I choose the October. And okay guys, I set the day into 14. And okay guys, set into October 14, Thursday. And okay guys, after you set the date, okay, you'll have to do is click the OK button. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully changed or set the date of your itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.